Today I will show you our factory. So here is the steps and this is the storage room. Yeah, we have people to detect the temperature according to the government requirement and to ensure our workers' safety. So this is our conference room, and because of too many orders, now we are using it as our testing room. Yeah, our factory just produce TWS earbuds and smartwatch. Now we are going to see our factory. Here is the rest room and the water storage room. Yeah, go. Now we come to the office for the people who will do paperwork, and here is the manager's room. Now it's just the beginning of afternoon work. Yeah, this is our production department, and for anyone who comes to the department, we'll use the anti-electricity clothes. Hello Rick, how are you?
Hi.
Yeah, now we come to our production team. Here we have 4 production lines. You can see workers sitting close. Yeah, too many orders now. There is a special room here for better dust resistance. Yeah, this means 重点工位. It's very important. And let's have a look at this. This is for the seal. And here we are having the waterproof test. So there are total 3 waterproof tests for each product, and because this is a BT calling watch, we will need to have a special position for the test.